If one of your workers has been injured at work, it's important to know that someone has you and your business covered. Allianz is committed to helping you through the workers' compensation journey and supporting you and your worker during their recovery and return to work if their recovery allows. Depending on the circumstances, here's what your policy may cover: weekly payments, medical treatment, and rehabilitation services. Let's break it down. So, your worker is injured at work. First, you should attend to your worker. They may need first aid or medical help. Keep in touch with your worker and ask that they obtain a workers' compensation certificate from their doctor. This includes an assessment of how much work they can do. Lodge the claim with Allianz early along with relevant documents. Notifying us of a claim early will have the greatest benefits for you and your worker. We will contact you about the next steps once we have received the claim. In the meantime, maintain regular contact with your worker and consider what suitable duties you have available in the workplace in the event that they are able to recover at work. Keep in touch with your case manager. They are your go-to person who will guide you through the process. Together, we can make a difference in supporting your worker so you can get back to business. For more details, including important information on your obligations as an employer, please go to www.allianz.com.au and visit the Workers' Compensation Forms and Resources page.